She said she seen it and she heard it all. She told me that my game was my downfall. I told her not to judge me by my past, 'cause I really think I want this to last. She didn't believe a word I said, 'cause every time we spoke I was wasted. She tried to turn around and walk away, till I grabbed her by the hand and said, baby, please don't go. We can take it slow, to let my feelings show. Baby, please don't go. I can make you see what your love means to me, what your love means to me. Next thing you know, it's midnight. Stars was out and moon just right. I knew right then and there I had to move. I felt like there was something left to prove. I leaned over and whispered in her ear the sweetest things you could ever hear. She turned around and gazed into my eyes. She's way too precious, I can never die. Baby, please don't go. No, please don't go. No, please don't go. We can take it slow, to let my feelings show. Baby, please don't go. No, please don't go. No, please don't go. I can make you see what your love means to me, what your love means to me.
If I was to let you walk away, there would be a million things that I know that inside I'd want to say. I know you're tired of silly games. I know the lies and the cheats and your heart being betrayed, not what you want. If you tell me what it is, I'll give you all you need. Everything I can give, all of me. Yeah. Baby, won't you tell me what to do? 'Cause I can't go on being without you.
Don't you know I want you, need you, never to mistreat you, give you everything that you want. Want to see you, love you, trust you, put no one